Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating temporary table. So here I just combine two tables to create a temporary table, and also I will run some basic queries on that. So here first of all I should write width. I use width to create table. So after width I write the name of table. So I just write table A and B. So it's the name of the table, so I just write here as select the first one and from, and here under from I want to join two tables, table B as employee full. How to join? Table A as department on. I should join these two based on department ID. Employee dot department ID equal to department dot department ID. And here under the select I have to insert the name of the columns, and here I just write here. So here, because we work with more than two tables, I have to mention also the name of the table also. Employee dot name as employee name, comma, employee dot role as role, comma, department name as department name. So it's my temporary table. So here I just come here and I want to run my query. So select, I should put asterisks here. So what's the name of the table? Table A and table B. You can see here table A and B. So here I just type here from table A and B and run. You can see the result here. I have the whole table A and table B. So now I want to apply some filters, and I want to find the employee name and their roles, and also just the marketing department. So here I just come here, clean this, employee name and role. So here under from I want to add filter where department name equal to because it's a string, I have to put inside quotation. Marketing and run. So here is the result. These 3 people work in marketing and these are their roles. So that's it about creating advanced temporary table. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.